Incorporating a small portion of avocado into your daily diet can have a remarkable impact on your health. From enhancing skin vitality to reducing the risk of chronic diseases and aiding in weight management. This creamy fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition. Why avocados are a nutritional marvel? Avocados are often celebrated for their versatility in dishes, particularly in guacamole, but they are much more than just a tasty topping. Packed with nearly 20 vitamins and minerals, avocados provide a wealth of nutrients along with healthy fats that are beneficial for your body. A typical serving of avocado, about 1/3 of a medium fruit, contains 80 calories, 1 gram of protein, 6 grams of fat, mostly unsaturated, grams of fiber, 11% of daily value, key vitamins and minerals including potassium, magnesium, and vitamins E, C, and K. The heart-healthy fats in avocados. Unlike saturated fats that can increase the risk of heart disease, the unsaturated fats found in avocados may help lower cholesterol levels. Research shows that incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can significantly benefit cardiovascular health. Regular consumption has been linked to lower total and LDL cholesterol levels, making avocados an excellent choice for heart health enthusiasts. Furthermore, studies suggest that avocados can positively affect metabolic health and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. For instance, participants who consumed half an avocado during lunch reported increased feelings of fullness without spikes in blood sugar, making it an ideal food for those managing diabetes. Avocados and weight management. Despite their higher calorie content compared to other fruits and vegetables, avocados can actually support weight loss efforts. Research has indicated that individuals who consume avocados regularly tend to weigh less than those who do not. A study highlighted that participants consuming at least 2 tablespoons of avocado daily had a lower likelihood of becoming overweight or obese over several years. The healthy fats in avocados contribute to satiety, helping you feel full longer and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. This makes them a smart addition to meals, especially when used as a substitute for higher carb options. Skin benefits of avocado. Beyond their internal health benefits, avocados may also promote healthy skin. The vitamin E content in avocados has been linked to improved skin elasticity and firmness. A study found that eating an avocado daily for 8 weeks led to noticeable improvements in skin quality, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to enhance their skincare routine naturally. Considerations when eating avocados. While avocados offer numerous benefits, it is essential to practice moderation. Sticking to about 1/3 of an avocado daily can help maintain a balanced calorie intake while still reaping the health rewards. Additionally, avocados can be on the pricier side due to various factors affecting supply and demand, so it's helpful to keep an eye on ripeness to avoid waste. Fun facts about avocados. Varieties galore. There are hundreds of avocado varieties, but the Hass avocado is the most popular in the United States, known for its creamy texture and rich flavor. Butter substitute. Want to reduce saturated fat in your recipes? Use mashed avocado in place of butter at a 1:1 ratio for a healthier alternative. Grow your own. You can easily grow an avocado plant by sprouting the pit. Simply suspend it in water, using toothpicks, place it in sunlight, and watch it grow. Incorporating avocado into your daily diet can lead to significant health benefits without compromising on taste or satisfaction. With its rich nutrient profile and versatility in recipes, a small serving of this fruit can be a delightful addition to your meals while supporting heart health, weight management, and even skin vitality. So go ahead, indulge in this creamy delight and enjoy its multitude of health perks.